Hello everyone and welcome back to Pinterest TV. A walk-in wardrobe is a type of wardrobe that is large enough to walk into. This is usually a whole dedicated room or at least a part of a room that is specifically designated for storage of clothing, shoes, and accessories. A walk-in wardrobe will typically include various storage options such as shelves, drawers, hanging rails, and sometimes even a dressing table or island. They are often considered a luxury feature as it provides ample storage spaces and allows for easy organization and access to all your clothes. Sometimes, a walk-in wardrobe is also referred to as a dressing room, as it provides a private space for getting dressed and trying on clothes. They are similar to fitted wardrobes but generally are open without doors. If you've been considering a walk-in wardrobe, then you might be doing some research to work out what some of the benefits are. So to keep things simple, we've put together a list of the main benefits of having a walk-in wardrobe in your home. There are so many benefits of having a walk-in wardrobe. One of them is increased storage space. You will have a whole lot of storage spaces. You will have a tidier and a clutter-free bedroom. Also, you will have better organization, bespoke and customized to your requirements. It adds value to your home, increased privacy, make your room look better. A walk-in wardrobe allows for ample storage space for clothes, shoes, and accessories, which can help keep your bedroom on clutter-free. The extra space provided by a walk-in wardrobe can promote airflow, making it easier to prevent mold and mildew. The additional hanging space allows your clothing to breathe, and by keeping items from becoming too tightly packed together, you may also be able to reduce the needs for ironing caused by creases. Having a tidier, clutter-free bedroom is the goal. A walk-in wardrobe allows for ample storage space for clothes, shoes, accessories, which can help your bedroom or living space clutter-free. A clean and tidy bedroom can have a significant impact on your mental health. When your living space is cluttered and messy, it can contribute to feelings of stress and anxiety. On the other hand, a clean and organized bedroom can promote feelings of calm and relaxation. When you wake up in the morning to a clean and tidy bedroom, you start your day off on the right foot. Definitely. You feel more in control and ready to tackle the day's challenges. Not having to worry about cluttered and disorganized space will free up mental space that can be used to focus on more important things. Also, having a clean and tidy bedroom can help you sleep better. A cluttered and messy bedroom can be distracting and make it difficult to relax and fall asleep. A clean and organized space can promote feelings of calm and relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. In short, having a clean and tidy bedroom can have a positive impact on your mental health by promoting feelings of calm, control, and relaxation, and also helps to improve quality of sleep. By taking the time to tidy up your bedroom, you're investing in your own well-being and overall quality of life. Furthermore, an organized wardrobe can also help you to make better fashion choices. When you can see what you have and how things coordinate, you're more likely to put together outfits that can make you feel more confident and stylish. And it can also help you to identify what you don't need to buy and what you can donate. In short, organizing your clothing in your wardrobe can save you time, energy, money, and also help you to make better fashion choices. It will also keep your clothes in good conditions and make the most of what you have. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your everyday life. Another benefit is bespoke and customized to your requirements. A walk-in wardrobe can be customized to suit individual requirements in a number of ways. Firstly, Wardrobes are often made to measure to suit the exact dimension of the room. This means that it can be designed to fit into any space, regardless of how big or small it is. Secondly, there are wide range of different colors and styles available. This means that you can choose a design that complements the existing decor of your bedroom or living space, from modern and minimalistic to traditional and timeless. You can find a style that suits your personal taste. At Pinterest TV, we offer a range of colors and styles for you to choose from. Additionally, internal options can be varied to suit requirements of people using the wardrobe. Different types of shelving, drawers, and hanging spaces can be included to accommodate different types of clothing, such as trousers, shirts, dresses, and shoes. You can even include pull-out trouser rail or additional lightings to make it more functional and easy to use. Furthermore, you can also customize the layout of the wardrobe to suit your needs. For example, you can have a separate section for your work clothes, have another section for your formal wear, or a section for your everyday clothes. This will help you to keep your clothes more organized, and it will also help you to find things easily. In short, a walk-in wardrobe can be customized to suit your individual requirements in a number of ways.